Legal experts have emphasized the need to respect judicial decisions in land disputes to uphold the rule of law. Legal practitioners Jude Uguwanyi and Magnus Uwango made the call in Abuja while addressing newsmen on a court judgment concerning Plot 6285 in Cadastral Zone F01 Kubwa District. Uguwanyi added that public notices were published to warn against purchasing the land, yet people continued to buy.
We had a judgment of FCT High Court delivered by Justice Otaloka of Uphold Division of the High Court. That judgment is subsisting. It has not been set aside. We followed the due process, made application for enforcement of the judgment. The judge approved it. It was forwarded to the Chief Registrar of FCT High Court. The Chief Registrar endorsed it, and today we are here to enforce our judgment. As at the time we got this judgment, it was only a perimeter fence that was here. Then when we got the judgment and served them, instead of doing what they are supposed to do, either by complying with the judgment or doing what the law allows them to do, they started building a mighty fence here and trying to obviate the provisions of the law. The law under Section 5, Subsection 2 of the Land Use Act 1978 says that whatever allocation given to you other than a right of occupancy, once the minister gives a right of occupancy, the other minor allocations get extinguished by operation of law. So it doesn't need revocation. And that was our argument before the court, which the court agrees. And today we are coming to enforce our judgment.
A landowner, Patience Ukwago, expressed joy over the enforcement of the judgment.
We are grateful to God that this is happening today, because we have cried out severally for help on this land. This issue has been going on for years. Some of us struggled, some of us borrowed money to buy land in this place. And before buying, we followed the due process. We went to AGs for legal search. And they told us this land was not encumbered before we went ahead to pay. And we discovered that a company called Olik is selling out the land. We just came and found out that the land is fenced round. And we've been on this issue off and on. It looks as if because he has some backings and nothing is happening. So some of us has been in court off and on. Some of us have gotten a judgment from the High Court. And today the High Court, they are enforcing judgment on this land.
Another landowner, Bello Kabiru, advised the public to avoid buying disputed property.
So my advice to them is to desist from the act. They have a misconception and a misinformation given to people about this land, duly allocated to some people as far as at 2010, 2011. Some people bought up to 2015, 2014. And since then, we have been on it, taking a rightful position of it. When you go to development control for your approval of building plan, they will tell you double allocation. Who is the second allottee, which is the person who took to court, and we won him eventually.
Mr. Abubakar Isa, who bought a portion of the land in 2003, said he confirmed its status with the Abuja Geographic Information Systems before purchase.
I confirmed the document before making the purchase. Surprisingly, I sent my drawings to development control, and they claim they've given approval for somebody on the land that I should go and reconfirm my documents. I wrote AGs for confirmation, while AGs gave me confirmation that this land belongs to me. I took it back to development control. Up till now that I'm talking, I didn't see anything. That's why we have to resort and go back to court and get judgment.